Hello guys, hello everybody and welcome to Dr. Nick's tutorials. In this video we are going to know and learn how to create a new power plan in Windows 10. Let's get started. Down here you may right click on the battery icon, choose power options, and then here you may find only a power plan that you have, which is balanced. Click on changed or click create a power plan here on the left, and here's the base of the plan you want as you want it. For example, I wanted high performance. I want to call it my custom plan one. You can call it what you want. For example, performance plan, and click next. Here is some settings that you want. If you wanted to turn off the display, choose the time that you want it to turn off the display after it, and choose when to put the computer to sleep. I want to, for example, put it after 3 hours, and on plugged in for 5 hours. And here I want to turn off the display after like 30 minutes, and while plugged in after 1 hour. Then create. So here's the plan that I made, and it has all settings different from balanced. So yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, write down below in the comments. And if you like the video, make sure that you hit the like button and just subscribe if you want to follow us. Hope you guys a good day.